Lorex has created innovative wireless security systems for many years, including the new MPX-based LW4211B. This is a black all-metal housing 1080p HD camera. It can be mounted horizontally or vertically and can be installed indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera has foam backing to help keep the weather away from the cabling if the camera is mounted outside. A cable notch accommodates the cable when surface mounting. The LW4211 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 water rated. It can operate in cold and hot temperatures from 50 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera offers 1080p resolution and is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 115 feet of night vision. The camera can deliver a large field of view of 118 degrees. This is ideal for wide open areas like driveways or doorways. The LW4211 also incorporates a built-in microphone for audio recording. Audio evidence may be helpful should an incident occur. The LW4211 offers high-quality imaging in a wireless package. Only one wire is used to supply power to the camera. The camera can deliver a steady and reliable connection with the matching receiver using Signal Guard technology. This technology ensures that the secure real-time video signal is protected at all times. Signal Guard also automatically reconnects if the signal strength ever drops too low. The camera boasts a remarkable 600-foot range from the receiver, making camera placement uncompromised. Lorex also uses DSSS technology, which greatly reduces conflicts with competing signals. The wireless receiver captures the signal sent from the camera and sends it down the coax connector and cabling into the DVR BNC signal inputs. The 4211 kit includes two power supplies, one for the camera and one for the receiver. The included Allen key allows the user to adjust the angle that the camera points. Two high-gain antennas are included in the package, one for the camera transmitter and the other for the DVR receiver. A mounting kit is included with screws and anchors. Double-sided adhesive pads are also included, which will allow you to attach the receiver to a wall or other surface where screws would not be desirable. Quick start guides in various languages are also included, offering mounting and adjustment instructions. A 24-hour window sticker is also part of the kit. The Lorex LW4211 offers high-quality video images with ease of installation to provide you with features for all your security needs.